2018 Ford EcoSport. The Ford EcoSport has an upgraded interior that provides you all the features you could ever want. It also offers you the functionality of an SUV, but in a size where you feel in control. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, power windows, heated front seat, fog lights, rear window defroster, compass, trip computer, electronic stability control, brake assist, tachometer, overhead console, power moonroof, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.